everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see, I'm making lip gloss, and this lip gloss is actually part of a bundle, and it contains little hearts. It's so cute. The bundle is Be Mine Valentine's Day bundle, and that's on my website. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. But yeah, as you guys can see, I already took out my syringe. It's brand new, and I have my pipette already cut and ready. And if you've watched my videos, you know how I do this. I apply the pipette to the end of the syringe, make sure that it's on good, and then there you go, showing it off. And what am I doing? Okay, sis, hurry up. Then there's my Versagel. I get that from TKB Trading. You can get it off of Amazon, but I trust TKB Trading. I'm just weird about that. So now I'm just gonna add my Versagel, and later on in the video, you guys can tell that I added more Versagel because it was really needed. Because I realized just like eyeing it was not working out. But here you go, my grapeseed oil and my castor oil, my favorite oils. First, I'm adding castor oil because castor oil is very thick already. So I like to mix it first and then later on add grapeseed oil to thin it out a bit. But yeah. And then finally, I'm adding the grapeseed oil, and then I mixed it evenly with the Versagel and the castor oil. So you just keep on mixing that until it's not clumpy. Just keep on mixing and mixing. I had to edit a lot. Then here is my blue glitter. It actually has like a green glitter in it too. It's very pretty. So I only added a little bit this time, but then I added more throughout the video. But yeah, this blue glitter is so beautiful. And at the end of the video, I will show you guys my my pastel Valentine's Day collection. It's so cute. So then I mix that up, making sure that everything gets evenly distributed, and that's what really matters when you make lip gloss. You're just making sure that everything is mixed well. And then after this, I'm sorry for the background noises. After this, I decided to add more glitter, and then I added the blue hearts. There you go. The blue hearts also has like a green shift to it too, so it worked out pretty well. Like, I was very lucky. So then I added a good amount of hearts, and then like I said throughout the video, I actually put some hearts in the squeeze tubes, and then started to fill it up. And then here's my peppermint essential oil. I added this into all of the glosses that I made for this bundle. I almost forgot about it. I always do this. So I added that in. I did like 5 drops. And then of course you want to mix that up. Like I said, mixing things up is like the key to making lip gloss. You have to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. I mixed it up. And then now I'm putting the lip gloss in my syringe. I love scooping it in, and the pipette really does help when I'm putting it into the squeeze tubes, because it prevents bubbles, and it prevents just my lip gloss not looking weird, you know? So it really helps a lot. So then I filled it up all the way, and honestly, y'all are missing out if you guys haven't purchased any of my lip glosses. The formula is bomb, especially since I added castor oil. And check it out, y'all can kind of see the little hearts. And then I decided to fill up my squeeze tubes. So I'm filling up the squeeze tubes. Check that out. So cute, right? So then I added more hearts. Like I said, I added hearts into the squeeze tubes because I've seen people do that, and I was like, let me try it out. But anyways, throughout the video, I kind of forgot that the camera was even there, so I didn't try to show you guys me filling up the tubes. So I'm so sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it wasn't as bad as I think it is. But like I said, at the end of the video, I will be showing you pictures of my products that I made. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and stay glowing. And then the rest of the video is going to be quiet because I'll be talking too much. But yeah,